do my best to keep up. What's the first question?
Okay. Assalamu
Okay,
alaikum
just let me.
and Assalamu alaikum. Uh, my name is Fatma and I'm student house cooking campus. Today I'm presenting my final interview. My topic is something we see every day when we look up the sky. It is full of wonder like clouds, star, the sun and the moon. Through almost 15 to 16 questions, I will explore the beauty and importance of the sky. So, hello Maya, can you hear me?
Alaikum assalam, Fatma. Yes, I hear you perfectly.
Okay, what is
Sounds
the
like a lovely
sky? What
topic.
is the
The
sky?
skies.
What is the sky?
Well, simply put, the sky is everything you see when you look up. But scientifically, it's the region above the surface of Earth. It's made up of gases, mostly nitrogen and oxygen, and it's where weather happens, where planes fly, and where we see the sun, moon, and stars.
Okay,
It's
what
a
does
lot,
the
really.
what
Does that
does
make
the
sense?
sky look blue during the day?
Okay, so that's a really good question. It looks blue because of something called Rayleigh scattering. Basically, when sunlight enters Earth's atmosphere, it bumps into tiny air molecules. Blue light gets scattered more than other colors because it travels as shorter, smaller waves. That
What
scattered blue light
does
is what we see when we look up.
what is the sky
Yeah,
made of?
what is Vader? Oh, um, you mean weather. Gotcha. So, weather is the state of the atmosphere at a particular place and time. It includes things like temperature, wind, humidity, precipitation, like rain or snow, and cloud cover. So, what's happening in the sky right now? Is that what you were getting at?
Okay,
Everything all right? You're being
yes. Okay, and what do we see this in the sky at night? What do we see sky in the night?
at night, you see stars, the moon, and sometimes planets. Depending on where you are, you might even see the Milky Way, which is our galaxy. Sometimes you can even see shooting stars, which are actually meteors burning up in the atmosphere. It's pretty magical, isn't it? Does that cover it?
Okay, what
Sorry,
what
did you want
what
me to
is the
repeat,
star
or were you about
twinkle?
to ask life? That's a great question. Stars twinkle because of the Earth's atmosphere. The light from stars has to travel through all sorts of air, and that air is constantly moving and changing. This movement bends the starlight, making it appear to shimmer and twinkle. It's kind of like looking at something through
Why does the
wavy
sky
water.
change
Does that
why does the sky change colors at sunset?
That's a beautiful thing, isn't it? At sunset, the sun's light has to travel through more of the Earth's atmosphere to reach us. Because of that, even more of the blue light gets scattered away, leaving the longer wavelengths like orange and red to reach our eyes. That's why we get those amazing fiery sunsets. It's all about the scattering of light again. Still with me, Fatma? You've got a lot of questions prepared. That's awesome. But it's all right if you need a sec. Just checking in. Is everything okay? Should we take a little break or are you ready for another question? No worries if you need a moment to gather your thoughts. Take your time. I'm here when you are. It's really interesting to hear your thoughts, even the quiet bits. You remind me a bit of someone who was interviewing me a few months back. Lots of energy, lots of thoughts. It was a really fun conversation, even
Okay,
when it was a little
what are
scattered.
clouds and how
Just take
do
a
we
breath.
from in the sky?
Okay, so clouds are basically collections of tiny water droplets or ice crystals floating in the sky. They form when warm, moist air rises and cools. As the air cools, the water vapor in it condenses, turns into liquid water around tiny particles like dust or pollen.
What does it
Millions of
rain
these
from the
droplets.
sky? What does it rain from the sky?
Rain! You're asking what falls from the sky, right? Rain comes from clouds. When the water droplets in clouds get too heavy, they fall back to earth as rain. Sometimes it freezes and falls as snow, sleet, or hail, too. It's all part of the water cycle: evaporation, condensation, and precipitation. Is that clear enough?
Okay. What is lighting in the sky?
Lightning is a huge discharge of electricity in the atmosphere. It usually happens during thunderstorms. It's caused by a buildup of electrical charges inside storm clouds. When the charge gets strong enough, it breaks down the air and creates a bright flash of lightning. And the loud boom you hear is the sound of the air quickly heating up and expanding. It's pretty wild, huh? A lot of energy in those flashes. It's all right to just think for a moment. No need to rush. It's a lot to cover. And you've been doing a really good job so far with these questions, Fatma.
Okay.
You seem a bit quiet. Is
What is the
something on
rainbow?
your mind?
What is the rainbow and how is it from in the sky?
Okay, rainbows are gorgeous, aren't they? They're formed when sunlight shines through raindrops. The light bends or refracts as it enters the water droplets, then reflects off the back of the droplet and bends again as it exits. This separates the sunlight into its different colors, creating that beautiful arc of red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. You need both sunlight and rain to see one.
Okay. So through these almost 15 to 14 questions, we explored the sky, a beauty and mysteries, a mysterious part of nature. From sunshine to star, the sky inspire us every day. As this is my last interview, I want to thank you for all listening and supporting me. I hope you enjoyed this journey through the sky with me. Thank you for watching me and thank you for listening me. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz, Maya.